Cordial greeting, teacher and classmates. I share the text of the postcard. My postcard is the Colosseum. Dear parents, I want to tell you how my experience in the Rome has been. I am in the capital Rome in the country Italy. I am Cano, one of the seven wonders, and the tour is very fascinating. To the house, my principal of the teacher. Where is the city? In this photo, I am in front of the Colosseum of Rome. I am outside of the Celio Park. I feel fantastic to be in the place full of the story. Side, it is one of the principles of the teacher where we can see what the singer were like before. I like their architectural principle and I did not like what they used the classic great innovation side. They broke the aesthetics that the Roman used. For its visit, I wear yellow shirts that gives me fresh and the gin. With love, Marlit. Thank you.